बने के बनी घर आ जाओ. Are these just a hoax or some kind of practical jokes? Telling us her story is a heartbroken party girl from Mumbai.
So I just threw a really great party for all my friends, a house party. And just as I said, DJ वाले बाबू मेरा गाना चला दो. एक स्टोर मैनेजर आके मुझे कहता है कि there is no DJ arrangement. हैं? What is a house without a house party? Who's this guy?
Now let's move to Hyderabad.
మా ఆయనకి క్యాండిల్ లైట్ డిన్నర్ అరేంజ్ చేసి సర్ప్రైజ్ ఇద్దాం అనుకున్నా. అయినా గ్యాస్ లేకుండా ఏంగా రాజా?
But ma'am, we have a restaurant here.
Now let's move to Bengaluru, where there's an old man, but his problem is new.
Vangi bath, kesari bath, bisibede bath, and water to take care. Bucket bath. None of these are available here.
What kind of home is this? IKEA! ये टेबल कितने में दिया?
Sir,